So I've been having this dilemma. I've been trying to figure out how to vlog in my car. I'm gonna go into my car and I'm gonna show you what my problem was. And I think I may have a solution. And if I have a solution and this works, obviously you'll be watching this video because it does work. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna upload the video. But I have a solution, and it may be from Zero Touch Dashboard by Logitech. Like, this is what it is. You can Google it, YouTube it, this is what it is. And basically it has a place here that is magnetized, and you can put one of these plates onto, I'm hoping, my camera. I don't know if I want to place it on the bottom yet or on the back. But if it works, I'm going to show you the setup. You guys will be freaking happy because I can't find anything on YouTube about a good setup but the suction cups. I don't want the suction cup on my window. I want it on my dash. So I'm hoping that this thing is strong enough. I have a leather dashboard. For some reason, nothing sticks to the dashboard. So hopefully this works. If it does, hallelujah, hallelujah. But we'll see. Let's go pick up Jazz. Let's get out of here. Alright, so I'm in my car right now. Hopefully this is the solution to a lot of people who want to vlog inside their car. I did a ton of research and damn near couldn't find anything. A lot of it was a bunch of suction cups that you had to put against your window, or if you wanted to attach something to your dash, you had to have a plate with some 3M adhesive, and I was gonna do that at first. I mean, I knew that I could damage my dash, but I was gonna do that, but the thing is, the thing that I ordered wouldn't adhere to the dash at all. Like, it wouldn't stick. So this is my dash right here. It is a leather dash. So what I'm gonna try to do is take this, it is a suction cup, but it's supposed to be really, really strong, and suction it here. This comes with 2 metal plates that adapt to it because this thing is a magnet. It comes with this oval shaped one that I was either gonna stick to the bottom, that way I can have it mount right to the top of this thing. There's also like a round circular one, like a big circular one. So I don't know which one I was gonna use. When I was doing my research and I seen this, all the pictures showed, and this thing's really hard to tilt, which is really good because you don't want it just flopping around all over the place. All the pictures that I saw had it like this. I was like, if it doesn't fit under here, because I do have a dash cam right here. And then I also saw that it was straight up, so I'm thinking maybe putting it here and then having my camera, but I think just looking at it, it's just gonna be too high, right? And I'm gonna have like the camera sitting on top, and then, I mean, sometimes I like to flip the screen up because this is a Canon G7X Mark II. Sometimes I like to have the screen up so that I can make sure that I'm in the shot or whatever. But the cool thing is that this actually tilts, and it's hard to tilt with one hand. This actually bends at a 90-degree angle like this. So I will probably, hopefully, be able to have it like this, have the camera straight on like that. I can still have the thing up and then have this suctioned to my dash, you know, and kind of position it. I wish it would have worked out this way, because when it's on there, I won't have to like unscrew it or anything. I can just rotate the camera however I want on there, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna switch to my phone right now just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I basically will want it here, but the problem is, and I'm not getting rid of the dash cam, but the problem is if I have this on top, I think it's gonna be too tall. And then if I wanted to flip the screen up, it'll be too tall. I know I can probably move it over and stuff like that, but I'm thinking what I may have to do is, and so with it at a 90-degree angle, with the screen up, boom, it'll be like that, and I'll be able to see it. So it does come with, like I said, it comes with this right here. This, at first, if I was able to put it up top, I was thinking about, you know, having it on the bottom here, because the magnet doesn't mess with the camera, would like sticking on top and it would stick on there. Thinking I may have to do is, with it here, either put the magnet, you know, in here, or the plate, I mean, not the magnet, but put the plate here, you know, or like here or something like that. The only thing is that this, when it's in there, I'll show you real quick, the screen doesn't like go down flush. Like there's that little gap there, you see? But I don't think that'll be that big of a problem, like if I want to have it down. So this is without it, you can see. I mean, it's not that much of a difference from like where it was before. So I may do this, but I want to know if this is going to sit flush on the thing first. So I'm about to clean the surface, I'm about to put this down, and I'm about to see what it looks like. Yo! This thing is suctioned on there. Look at that. I'm wiggling it hard too. That's on there. Like, that's on there. That's amazing. Because now, you know what I'm saying, I got to worry about the thing popping off and flopping off. I cleaned the surface, and it was pretty dirty surface with an alcohol wipe. You guys can see it, all that black stuff. So I took that off. So make sure you clean your surface. And I mounted this on there. So I'm testing it for you guys. Doing this for y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the magnet to the back here. I'll probably place it here. So we'll try it. And I'll attach it. We'll turn the camera on and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so what I did was I took the round metal piece instead of the long one here. So I'm using this one because it covers more surface. So this is the magnetic piece, and then what I'm going to do is just stick it, boom, on there and see if it stays. And then if it does, I'll show you guys, and then hopefully this works. I'm just giving it a minute to actually just kind of adhere. And so I'm about to go get Jazz, and then I'm about to see if this sticks. I'm going to give it a minute, see if it sticks, and if it doesn't stick, I'm about to put something that's more adhesive on there, because I think this will work. Okay, so the plate that comes with the zero touch dash mount doesn't adhere strong enough to the back of the camera because it's made for your phone. It's supposed to be a dash mount for your phone so you can do it over your phone, but I'm using it because I want to vlog inside the car. So what I did was, this is my camera, so disclaimer alert, I went out and got some adhesive bonding glue and glued the plate onto the back of the camera. And I'll take a picture of that and I'll show you like what it looks like. This thing is still on here. I haven't moved it since the last time. Moment of truth, we're gonna mount this on there and we're gonna see how it holds up. Just stop by the store, we're gonna make our way home and see if it holds up. If it doesn't, it's gonna suck. If it does, then I found something, y'all. I found something. So, disclaimer, I adhered that plate with glue to my camera because I pay money for my camera. You don't have to do that. Matter of fact, you don't have to do any of this. But if you do it and mess your camera up because you didn't apply it perfectly, don't get mad at me. Just saying. So we're about to put this on right now. I let it cure. It says like a 10-minute cure. So it's been cured for 10 minutes. But I'm just going to try it real quick. I know I should wait longer, but we'll see. Let me place it on here.
Sub to Jonathan's channel.
Me in the car now. You know what I mean? Alright, so let's try it out. Let's go home and see if this works. Hopefully it doesn't fall and break.
Nah. When Dad says
that. Well, the messed up thing about it is I kind of wish that it mounted on top. That way I can just move the camera however I want and position it. But with this, I'm gonna have to play around with it. It's like jiggling a little bit. I'm gonna have to play around with it and adjust the actual suction cup left or right on the position I want. I mean, this is actually pretty good. You can see Jazz. Say what's up, Jazz.
What's
and then
up, homie?
You can see me still. So, you know what I'm saying? Start the show.
Hey.
But it was jiggling a little bit, so we'll see how that looks in the footage. Like I said, this is me. I'm doing this for y'all, man.
Hi,
for y'all.
Homies.
We got traffic right now.
One and turn it clear.
I'm definitely gonna take this off and let it cure a little bit more. All right, we're on the road. city streets, Arizona. So the cool thing that I already like about the suction cup is that it really does suction really good. Makes me nervous a little bit when it starts wiggling, and I couldn't find that with a lot of the other suction mounts that I had, because you put them on and then they pop off. And I live in Arizona, so it gets extremely hot. Even right now, it's October, and it's still 82 degrees outside from what it's saying, because we had a little bit of rain. Normally, if we didn't have any rain, it'd be hot, man. It'd be like in the hundreds still. The camera cut off when I was driving, and it scared me a little bit, because I thought it had something to do with the mounting system, whatever. But I just had too much memory. I didn't have enough memory on my memory card, so I deleted some old videos. So you guys can see, Jazz left, she went inside. I'm gonna just do some quick footage. I'm just gonna go around the block real quick, just so we can see the shakiness and all that stuff, and if this works out for you. I think this actually just works out for me. I mean, I'm cool with it. I kind of wish that the part that it's magnetically attached to would just be able to like rotate around. But I mean, it is what it is. It's better than any suction that I've seen so far. So let's go around the block real quick. Let's see. I don't think it's interfering with my dash cam that I have. But I mean, even if that's the case, I can vlog and then I can put the screen back down once I have everything set. That way it's not blocking anything else in the way. But it doesn't look like it's blocking anything. So just going around the corner, going around the block. It's bouncing on my end a little bit. The Canon has a stabilizer in it, so I'm wondering if that's helping it out a lot. I also have an action cam that I'm gonna try. I have some magnetic tape, or I actually have that other strip that I can use on the action cam. And we can try that too. That one I can probably just mount up and just flip around if I want. This is pretty much like front and center, and if I want to adjust the camera, I can. So going around the block, coming back up to the house right now. We'll check out the footage, see how everything goes. Seems to be working fine. Happy I found something. Alright, now we're back at the house. A la casa, homes. Back at la casa. Alright, so this was it. It's called the Zero Touch Dash Mount. It is originally for your cell phone, because the plate that you have, I think, adheres better to like plastics and stuff that cell phones have. So you can take either that round piece or the small, like, other short one. It comes with those two. Those with the little thing, the adhesive on the back, sticks to your phone, and then you place it on there, and then, you know what I'm saying, you have hands-free phone, and it works with Alexa or whatever. I'm not worried about all that. I just really wanted a really good suction mount that can go on the dash, that's small enough, and you can either mount something small, like, I don't know, like an action camera on top, or if you have a Canon G7X, just like I do, you can actually tilt it 90 degrees, mount it straight on, just like how I have it. Let me take a picture real quick. Just so I have it, so I'll include that right here. That's on there. And that's it, we're good to go. I'm gonna go in, we're gonna check the footage, and hopefully this helps out a lot of people. Hopefully this helps you out. Like, there is a complete frustration with nobody really making anything that will actually suction to your dash and stay there, and then you can just have your camera in your car. This worked. I cannot remember how much I paid for it, but I did get off Amazon. The last step that I took was the plate doesn't stick well to the back of the camera just by itself. I picked up an all-purpose adhesive. It bonds, it sets in 30 seconds, 10 minutes to cure. I took that upon myself to take that plate, put some adhesive on it, and attach it to the back of the camera, and that's what makes it stick to the thing. So if this helps you out, make sure this gets 10,000 freaking likes, so now you can start vlogging in your car real quick. You can take it off, you can pull it off, you have it, you know what I'm saying? You can talk, do da 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 da. You don't have to worry about mounting and screwing and stuff. It just goes right back on there, and you're good. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I got a bunch of stuff going on, cooking videos, gameplay videos, all that good stuff, reactions too. Hit the notification bell so you can keep getting reminders like this. And like always, I'll be right here, so peace.